Hello. So I'm here in nature and I wanted to share something different with you today. I've been looking into AI, artificial intelligence, this past week, and I was inspired to share a few thoughts about it. But honestly, the more that I think about sharing those thoughts, the more I just want to come back to nature. So today I decided to come for a walk near where I live, and I'm blessed that I'm able to be in almost raw wild nature within 10-15 minutes walk from where I live. And I just was passing by this place, and nature here feels so generous, so sacred, so beautiful, so present, that I wanted to share with you. So I'll just be quiet. I have my phone on the floor mounted. I'll just be enjoying the sacredness, the presence, yeah, the palpable majestic nature of this place. I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you around so that you can see the location itself. And if you feel so called and so inspired, just enjoy a few minutes of purely being in nature in a digital format this time, but hopefully it inspires you as well to just go out, find those beautiful places where you can just connect, feel your feet on the floor, outer edges of your feet, middle of your feet, inner edges of your feet. Feel all of your foot, all of your feet, both of them, fully on the floor, and connect through the earth to the life of the earth. The life feels all around you, the birds including. So I'll turn the camera around so you can see. Enjoy the beauty. And it feels to me that activity is picking up. Yes, activity is picking up. We are entering a tween time here. Uh, when I'm recording this, tween times are the times in between changes of the day. So dawn, noon, sunset, midnight, all those are tween times. Times of greater activity, times of thinner edges between it's called the fairy realm and our physical realm. So we are entering one of those times, and it seems to me that activity is picking up here. So I hope you enjoyed whatever transmission was for you. Beautiful, sacred spot. Nature is so generous with us. If we are able to be quiet, be in the stillness, in our own core, connected, present, embodied, feeling our feet on the floor, on the ground fully, feeling perhaps even our hands active because we are used to sensing things with our hands, feeling our entire skin alive, feeling the influences around us. We can enjoy beautiful, magical, loving gifts that nature gives us all the time. So wanted to say thank you. Of course, thank you to nature. Thank you for us for choosing to be on this planet. Thank you for you joining me here, and I hope to have inspired you to go enjoy a little bit of nature in your own, let's call it backyard as well. Connect your key to the place that you live in. You're part of the grids, you're part of the life field there. So go enjoy it, you belong. Thank you for joining me here, and I'll see you in the next video.